just crashed into the rocks with the Insta360 Go. Getting a little too funky in my first flight. Hopefully we didn't break anything. All right, we're gonna go check that out.
All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Let's see here. We got to get the power unplugged. Oh boy, camera first. A little bit of a scuff there. Let's disconnect. She's a little scuffed. Let's see. Do we have? Oh, we have a broken prop guard right there. Broken prop guard already. You see. Camera looks intact though. Let's see, props are scuffed. Definitely need to replace that front prop. So tried to get a little cute. Went to the top of the mountain up there. So that actually turned out good. And then I came down. I thought I'd get through this gap here, and the gap was plenty big. So I don't know. It's called a steering panic. I don't know. It's definitely a heavier battery. I think I could have gotten through with the 700, but all right, here we go. Let's do some repair work. See if we can get her back up in the air.
Same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just a water spring. You know I drip different, this the 7 seas. I deal with life different, make that lemon squeeze. Went off for my style and identity. Better bounce back and get the cheddar cheese. I guess that's why they envy me. On track, now we going way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Way up, pray up. On track, now we going way up. Now we going way up. Now we going. On track, now we going way up. Now we going way up. Now we going. I got his band like I'm Barry Bonds. Running through the money, but the money's long. I don't love it, but I need it, keep it coming on. Only friendly, me and friends, we don't get along. I put that on my name, that I put them on. I put myself on stage as they sing along. I might book a session, do 100 songs. I'ma let you hear them just to prove you wrong. On track, now we going way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. On track, now we going way up. Now we going way up. Now we going. On track, now we going way up. Now we going way up. Now we going. I'm a one. I'm a one. I'm a 1 to 1. I could never be you. Little me tools, no I can't be fooled. Little me tools, no I hate these dudes. I'm a 1 to 1. I could never be you. Anything you could do, I can do better. I can do better than you. Anything you could do, I can do better. I can do better than you. Drop my first single, let go, he rap. You thought it was a drought, that's cap. I get the front and I get the back. Lil Uzi the facts, like that's a rack. Bought some new boots just to wear 'em out. Bought a new Beamer, I run it to the ground. I used to say nothing, I bet they hear me now. Ain't no my business, no need to hear me out. Talking too much, say less. If it's less than the check, say less. If you can say it best, say less. I'm taking all best, say less. Talking too much, say less. If it's less than the check, say less. If you can say it best, say less. I'm taking all best, say less. I'm a 1 to 1, I could never be you. Little me tools, no I can't be fooled. Little me tools,
I just changed my mind. The 900, by far the best flight time. A little heavy, but I did a lot of aerobatics. I did lots of twists and turns. I did somersaults and freaking all kinds of crap. I thought I had good hang time. Just a little more punch. Had to start up a little bit higher. But very impressive on crappy props and freaking a broken prop guard. Not bad at all. So yeah, the 900 high voltage, not bad. I think I got almost 5 minutes out of that one, 4.5 minutes, and I did a lot of real high powered acrobatics with it. I did get down low. So hey, that's actually I know where I can get a really good deal on these 900 high voltage batteries. They're like $7. Hopefully there's a couple left. I'm gonna buy them right now. Later, dead random. Definitely a new experience with the Insta360 Go, but it's so much easier flying AIR UNIT. Everything you add to your quad just makes it that much more of an issue. So for dead random and flying FPV for beginners. Learned a lot today. Learned a ton actually, and I got a lot of flights. I still have 2 batteries, by the way. Maybe I should fly them later. Bye.